Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Best Home Remedies. Today I am sharing a homemade mask for acne scars. It really works for acne scars, dark patches, suntan and blemishes. It also improves your skin tone and complexion naturally. Let's start. You will need 2 tablespoons of powder milk, 1 whole lemon's juice, few drops of glycerin and 4 to 5 drops of hydrogen peroxide. Mix all the ingredients well and leave for 5 minutes to set. Then apply on your face. Leave overnight. In the morning, wash with cold water and use moisturizer. Use this remedy twice a week. If you have sensitive skin, please do sensitivity test first by applying some amount of this mix on inner side of your elbow, then apply on your face. Thanks for watching.